With the way the market has been over the last year or so, some manufacturers are not able to supply quickly machines when engineers need them. That's certainly not the case here at Whitehouse Machine Tools. They've been ordering stock frequently throughout the COVID pandemic to ensure they can satisfy the need of the market quickly. So behind me, this particular machine, this AA1165 from WELE, is available from stock here at Whitehouse Machine Tools. It's a BT40 machine. Now it's just over 1 metre in the X-axis, and you can see it's driven here or controlled by a FANUC control system. So what about WELE? Who are they? And what is this machine capable of? Well, this is a heavy-duty vertical machining centre, box guideway construction. And in fact, a couple of the points that I would point out that are really important and will excite some manufacturers is what you can accommodate when it comes to in terms of weight on the table. Over a tonne can be put on this machine, would you believe? And it also has over 600 millimetres in the y-axis, in fact 650. Now I'd encourage you to contact Whitehouse Machine Tools for more information if you're after a heavy-duty, rugged VMC that's available quickly as it's here in stock.